Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and this is another sandwich in 60 seconds.
All right, let me describe the setting. It's an early Sunday morning. Maybe it's a little late in the morning, whatever you prefer. Your wife is still in bed, and you decide you're gonna get up and make a nice breakfast. You throw on a little movie, you make a pot of coffee, you fill the house with an aroma that means you're home. Then you grab the thick cut ham. You gotta try a piece before you throw it into the frying pan and get it browned up. And what are we gonna do? We're gonna take a brioche bun and we're gonna melt Swiss cheese on both sides. Because you gotta change it up a little bit. Once you get the brown on that ham, you're gonna throw the egg in. Got a little scramble. We got the brioche bun, and you're gonna pile it nice and high like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Anyway, look how delicious that's gonna be. Come on. You're gonna put a little pepper plant on top. That's my favorite. Use whatever hot sauce you want. I don't care. Enjoy.
As a native New Yorker, a bacon, egg, and cheese and a ham, egg, and cheese sandwich is a rite of passage. You can find it on every street corner, whether it be a bodega, coffee shop, diner, but we did it a little different today. We did a ham and Swiss cheese scramble on a brioche bun. And that's another sandwich in 60 seconds. And from our house to yours, bon appetit.